Right behind me here is another oil filter. This is called a water separator. This separates water from fuel if there's any water in the fuel. This boat also has fuel pumps for pumping fuel from tanks to tanks. There's reserve tanks in the front. It's also got a pump to take fuel from one side of the boat over to the other side of the boat, because the generator is on that side, so more fuel is used there. And have a look at all these lovely switches and all this cabling and all this stuff down here. We've got C filters that need regular checking. If you don't want to do your engine checks yourself, get someone to do a monthly engine check and report for you, because it's better to identify something before it becomes an issue. If it becomes an issue, there's two downsides to that. One, it's going to be costly. Two, it's going to interrupt your use of the boat, and you're just going to feel like this boat is a hole in the water you throw money into. And that's what must be avoided at all costs.